One of the best features of the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is its durability. It features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and upgraded the overall internal structure of the new smartphone. Now, for those of you who are still on the fence of getting this smartphone, allow me to talk about why this is important in the first place, and hopefully you'll get to understand and see why this matters not just to you but to a lot of consumers. Launched 2 years ago, Corning Gorilla Glass 2 was initially intended to be installed on modern flagship smartphones. It is tough cover glass that really pushes the boundaries of protecting one of the most expensive parts of your smartphone, the display. This gives an extra layer of protection to your smartphone's display para naman less worry kayo sa mga accidental drops or dings on possibly any surface. This also protects from things like magasgas ng coins o susi nyo sa pocket ang display or accidentally madulas sa kamay mo. O kaya naman, wala kang magiging issue kung ipahiram mo sa anak mo ang phone mo kahit wala pang screen or phone protector kasi alam mo na may built-in glass protection siya. This is the reason why brands are hot about featuring durability on their latest smartphones. Hindi lahat gaming or camera features ang hanap sa bago nilang phones. Sometimes, consumers just need a peace of mind, and durability is the major assurance they need. Available na ang Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G sa Pilipinas. Check out our full review in the description or comment section below.